The first product that I will be using is a sunscreen. This is the Bioderma Photoderm Max. This has a thin and runny consistency and it's very easy to apply and blend into the skin. Sunscreen is something that I wear a lot, so I'm not counting this as a makeup product as it's more of a skincare product. But for a daytime look, you will definitely need to start with a sunscreen. And for me, this sunscreen also works as a primer because I have very normal skin. I do not apply a primer on top of this. Also, we are trying to keep the whole look minimal, so I don't think that I need primer, so I'm just going to skip primer. Now for concealer, I have the PAK HD concealer in the shade Classic Beige. Now first of all, I am going to talk about the placement. I'm just going to apply it right on my under eyes where I have like dark circles. I don't have actual dark circles, but yes, wherever there is a little bit of darkness, I'm going to apply the concealer right on top of that. Then also I have this hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I'm going to apply some concealer over there as well. This is a very blendable concealer and the shade match is perfect for my skin tone. It's exactly my skin tone. It's also an affordable concealer and this gives you medium coverage. So it can be used for more natural looks, something like this. You can just apply it and leave it for a couple of minutes to get more coverage out of it. And then while blending, you can use a brush, like blend it in with a brush, and in the end just use a sponge to get rid of any brush strokes. After this, I have the Gush Beauty Stacked in Your Favor Multi-Purpose Face Palette, and I am going to use this for blush and contour. First of all, the packaging of this palette is very travel friendly. I really like the formula of all the 3 shades that are present in the palette. That is the contour, the blush and the highlighter. This is a perfect palette for doing a natural makeup look. So I'm just going to place a little bit of contour under my cheekbones, on my forehead and my jawline, and then I'm just taking a little bit of blush and placing it on my cheekbones, right on my cheekbones. You can use a finger to apply and blend both the blush and the contour, or you can also use a brush for application. You can also use a sponge to blend it out. The pigmentation of the blush and the contour is perfect for doing natural looks. It won't give you a lot of dimension, just a little bit, just a hint of dimension. Also, the formula is very creamy and it's very blendable. So I really like this palette. Now for setting my face, I'm just going to use the Kiro Botanico Timeless Matte Compact. This one is in the shade Honey Tan, I think. And this gives a little bit of coverage, so that's why I like using it. Also, I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, around my mouth, wherever I applied the concealer. I'm not going to mattify my whole face. If you have oily skin, you can do that, especially with this compact, because it's not going to make your face look lifeless and matte. It does mattify your skin and holds your makeup, but it looks very natural and sort of airbrushed at the same time. After this, I have the MUA Brow Define Micro Eyebrow Pencil. Now normally I won't do anything for my eyebrows when I'm doing a look like this, just a little bit of eyebrow gel and that's it. But today I shaped my eyebrows, so I thought I'll just fill them in a little bit. For eyebrow gel, I have the brow gel from Essence. I'm just using this product to brush my eyebrows and make them look a little bit more feathery. This eyebrow gel has got a little bit of tint, so I really like it. It also looks good if you just brush your eyebrows with this eyebrow gel without filling them in. After this, I am going to use the K-Beauty Gel Eye Pencil in bronze, and I am going to apply it and smudge it out first, and after this I am going to apply it as an eyeliner. I really like these eye pencils from K-Beauty, and that is because they are not very plain and they don't have a matte finish. They give you a little pop with the metallic finish that they have. And you can just smudge it first and then leave it to set, and once it's set, it's completely waterproof and smudge proof. If you are thinking of trying out these pencils, definitely get the color bronze. I'm also applying a little bit of it on my lower lash line. I don't like applying anything in my waterline because that just closes my eyes and makes them look small. So yes, lash line is enough. After this, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. What I generally do here when I do a natural sort of makeup look, I just curl my eyelashes once in the beginning before anything, and then right now when I have to apply mascara. But I forgot doing that today, so I'm just going to curl them here a couple of times. But if you really want your eyelashes to stay curled all day, you can try this technique, like curl them twice. For mascara, I have the K-Beauty mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It's very lightweight. I like the wand. It's easy to apply. It also holds the curl for a longer time, and I think this is waterproof. And that's it. Now we're gonna move on to the lip color. So for my lips, I have the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color and Nude Twist. Now if you have my skin tone, you cannot wear this without covering the pigmentation around your mouth. It will wash you out. So if you're thinking of wearing this without makeup, I will not suggest that you get this shade. It looks really good with makeup. It's a warm toned nude kind of shade. It's very subtle and I really like it. And that's it. This is how the makeup looks in natural light after a couple of hours of application. And hope you guys find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. If it was helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.